Did the leprechaun give you his pot of gold? Oh, he did! Look at that! His pot of gold had 26 cents. Here it is.
It's a cheap-ass leprechaun.
Yeah.
Mine.
That's yours. You want to put it back in your bank? You can do it over and over. There you go. You have to close it all the way first. There you go. Just shake it. Do you tell the leprechaun what you want? Money. Whisper to him. Let's see if he gave it to you. Yay! Thank you, leprechaun. Oh, you're going to trap him? Trap. You better watch out. They're fast. They can get away quickly. Push, push, push. You got it. All right, you got him. Oh! He's trying to get out. Be careful.
Stare at his face. You're close to it all the way.
There you go. Oh, all right, I'll hold it and you close it. Oh, it's a little off. There you go. Oh, that one doesn't make any sound, huh? Oh, you caught him! What do leprechauns like to do? What? Tricks? He was running out. Good thing you caught him. Where's your money?
What are you saving for? Huh?